How to remove Netflix continue watching on laptop. Hello and welcome to 1-2 Step. I'm back with a new quick and easy tutorial video on how you can remove Netflix continue watching on laptop. If you want to do so, open any browser on your device and at the search bar type netflix.com. Then press enter to browse it. Make sure you are logged into your Netflix account. Once you reach to this interface, scroll down until you find this continue watching option. Netflix will categorize those movies on this continue watching list if you have watched this movie on Netflix before and you haven't completed it. So now if you want to remove this, you just simply have to hover your cursor on this picture and then some options will pop up. There you will find cross button which says remove from the row. Once you click on this cross button, it will get removed from your continue watching. So go ahead and tap on this option and then there you will find you have successfully removed it from your continue watching section. So that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Also hit that bell icon to get notifications on more such helpful tutorials. See you in next video. Stay connected.